Just got a package in today from Dudes. This is the Flex. It cleanses, exfoliates, and revitalizes your skin within 1 minute per day. I also got War, which is face wash. I got the Prime, which is the face quench. And I got Crush, which is bump eliminator.
I use water on a towel to wet his face. That way, when I use the face wash, it works a lot better. 2 pumps, that's all you need. Put that on the Flex, rub it into his skin. As you can see, it's foaming up already. That's exactly what you want. Then you pat them dry. All you gotta do is pat them. You ain't gotta go too hard on that. Get 2 pumps of that moisturizer, that face quench. Rub that in. Have them shining like a Popeye's biscuit. You feel me? Make sure y'all actually rub it in though. Don't just put it on there. As you can see, he's shining. Take them gloves off, lift him up. He's ready to go.